Left to its own devices, our planet could do a pretty good job of managing all the different gases in the air and moderating the climate, especially in the last 12,000 years, in which civilization grew and prospered. But that all began to change when we started growing more and more, expecting more, and burning more and more fossil fuel. And it's created a massive imbalance of gases within the atmosphere. This is where we are now, an overloaded planet that can't process fast enough our various wastes on land, at sea, and in our atmosphere. The two gases having the biggest effect on our climate are methane and carbon dioxide. They're referred to as greenhouse gases because that's what they do. They act like a greenhouse, hanging around in the atmosphere and trapping the heat, which would normally be lost to space. Up to now, there's been two basic approaches to addressing climate change: reducing our activities that produce greenhouse gases and helping people and the planet adapt to what's coming. These approaches, although essential, aren't nearly enough to keep the ever-growing weather-related catastrophes at bay. The Paris Climate Agreement is a good example. Adopted in Paris in 2015 and signed by 196 countries, it aimed to limit global warming to around 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. And to achieve this, the agreement aims to get to where the amount of carbon that we put into the air is no more than the amount that is naturally taken out by the atmosphere. This is what's known as net zero. Some countries are aiming for net zero by 2050. But given the dramatic weather events we're regularly experiencing, this obviously isn't enough. In 2022, we were already at 1.06 degrees Celsius warmer,